guys, this is Zoey. Today I will introduce you how to custom kettle feeder packaging. The bags are widely used for pet food packaging, such as for cattle feeder. About its packaging, we should also choose the most suitable, such as stand-up pouch, 3-side seal bag, and so on, which can stand up without worry about food accidentally spilling out and are most suitable for daily use. Like this bag, full plastic material and have a clear window, and the beautiful design can attract the attention of consumer, and have a zipper can prevent the food. If you want to know more details, please follow us or check our website. See you next time.